Hi, greetings and welcome to my channel. So today we are in Nairobi, Kenya. Me and my friend the Afrikan tiger. So I'm just gonna show him on a tour around this amazing Republic of Kenya. So on today's episode, I'm gonna show him the famous Agakhan walk and also show you the famous Agakhan walk. These are one of the street walk which was named after the famous the way of how it's like honoring people, yeah, who actually have they're like have contributed largely in the Kenyan society. So we're gonna see his reaction and we're gonna also pass him through one of the things. Yeah, I hope you enjoy the video. He's here just murmuring some Ugandan things. Say something. Oh, you're in the he's sitting on the phone. Yeah, so basically sit tight, enjoy the video. So yeah, so this is the famous Agakhan walk. So actually this is where now people come, relax, walk. Yeah. So somewhere here there's also a skating park. Yeah, around. Yeah, there's there. I think I don't know if it's operation for today. You know, it's usually a parking during the weekdays. Then yeah, it's the skating park. This is where I was telling the guy was like he couldn't hold the camera there. Then I stand there. Now start walking. No, yeah, let's go. Let's go. Okay, he obviously like. You are here.
The cinema, yeah, Kenya.
You are here.
Remember the cinema? Then I remember that skating.
Oh, now actually just say walk, but you know, you never know.
Of course, slightly changed.
Yeah.
Yeah.
From yesterday.
I don't think it was like this. This pavement. Yeah.
Oh, you are here sometimes back. Yeah, I think this one was just recently done last year. Yeah. Even you can see like they have really not some parts they have really not completed.
Agakhan walk. Why is it called Agakhan?
Yeah, Agakhan. Agakhan, I think, is a famous doctor, if I'm not wrong. Yeah. It's something like a famous doctor.
The owner of Agakhan?
Yeah, I think it was named so. So I think in order to honor, you know, those people of impacted life, yeah. So they have to name after, yeah. That's how. So you usually see like people say the famous Agakhan walk. Yeah, so that's how it actually is. Yeah. Yeah, they usually have a high attraction. Agakhan. So it's covered there, but okay. Okay, that's Harambee Avenue, if I'm not wrong. Yeah.
This is the street we're on when you cross from the other side.
We have not reached this one.
No, we haven't, but when you cross from the other side before we branched off from.
Yeah, it's the one. Yeah.
Come on, do your shoes.
So this one actually tomorrow it will be now busy because they have less vehicles around. Yeah, it's just a continuation. It's a continuation. Now it's like they have something like you have to press something like that. Stop on the red. That's bullshit. Just bullshit.
I know. I also see it as bullshit. I also see it.
So you can just take. But these are public institutions, so let's use this side. Okay, let's use this side. Then we'll move the other side. So this is just a continuation of Aga Khan walk. You can see it, and we are walking very fast because. Have you noticed?
I'm the one who walks slow. I'm the one who walks slow. Today I don't know what's going on.
Yeah, I've noticed like we're walking very fast.
Take it easy. And
I think that's National Housing Corporation.
that's the national housing.
Now there are soldiers there. I think we have to use this one. Let's go up to the other side.
It's big. That's just a small place.
Aga Khan, you know, there's the central bank ahead. That's central bank. So
Where? This building here?
around there, yeah. No, I think somewhere there, but you have seen the soldiers around. It's like kind of.
Just a place.
Okay, folks. You know that guy which we were shooting with. Actually, can you wait? Just okay, like watch. It was like okay, just watch what I'm doing.
It's like they're in class.
Actually, he was telling the soldiers. He was telling the soldier. Yeah, the soldier came. You were not supposed to film here. Like, okay, just wait. Give me like 5 minutes.
Yes, bro. Let's finish. That's interesting. Wait. Give me like 12 minutes.
So just also a continuation. That's the 𝖕𝖆𝖈𝖊 which we use.
Okay.
So yeah. No, it's not the end. We have the extension. Nokia. Pardon?
It's my last thing. This will be.
Yeah.
What is it like? Fast food?
No, it's a supermarket.
Supermarket.
So you see now the renovations here. You know, I have to take like this. I pass here, like here, then. So I'm coming there. Yeah, take a path. You're on business. Your business is on business because it's also business. People are sleeping, or are they bowing down for prayers?
Still going?
What's
I thought I was stopping here, then I'm sick of sleep.
No, I want to take the. You know, I did a video. It's called what? That guy. That famous guy. Stupid guy.
The character, I've forgotten the name, yes.
Huh?
I've forgotten the character's name. Yeah, but the actor is called 𝖍𝖐𝖊𝖆.
Yeah. Actually, the guy is so amazing. His character, so we shall, it just stop somewhere. Yeah, somewhere here. Then we have to return. Still up there, we have the 𝖕𝖆𝖆𝖈𝖊𝖆. Yeah. See, you've just branched big, but because of the restrictions, actually use the main road there. So short. I think I love to do some. We need a. you know, I recorded a video sometimes back, but I didn't use the title, so didn't get that.
Yeah, then that's the title. Let's see that.
Yeah. You think love at first sight, that thing is usually on movies. It's really happening.